you should able to hold like this also to draw. So this is one way of drawing when come to some particular areas, and even you should know how to hold like this. See, hands, I am holding it. I'll tell you one more time. Pencil, hold it like this also, hold it like this also, you can able to hold it, pencil. Okay, let's hold it. Yeah, taken the pencils. Next you should draw the lines from one particular point to the other particular point. So let's start. You can draw the lines like this, correct? So this is how you should start drawing the lines. When you're drawing these lines, you are applying the pressure evenly, so you will get this kind of stroke. Suppose if you apply the pressure initially more, then slowly if you are reducing the pressure, what will happen? You will get now I am applying this kind more pressure, and slowly I am taking out the pressure light. So you get this kind of strokes. When we draw, we need like these strokes also in certain areas. Even we need like these strokes also. That's what we are practicing the basic. Apply the pressure and take it out. 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 Correct? This is one way of practicing, and this is the second step. You can try. You can pause the video, then you can try. Okay. The next one is applying the pressure very light, then you moving to the end more pressure. It's like light and going dark, light and going dark, light and going dark, light and going dark, light and going dark. So you see the difference, the pattern difference is coming. This coming because of two important things. One is the way you are holding the pencil. If you hold the pencil, it's very difficult to draw long lines, and same time very difficult to apply pressure and take it out to get this kind of finishing lines. So this is possible. This comes very easy only when you hold pencil like this and draw. It's a very important lesson. Okay. And second, after knowing how to hold the pencil and draw the line, we start making it applying the pressure in the strokes. So here we are applying the pressure more, and slowly we are reducing it. Correct? After this practice, we are moving with the pencil slowly, then we are start applying the pressure more. So we will get this kind of strokes. Next, is it clear? Like example, you learned in the previous section all the basic shapes, lines, arcs, and oval, waves, and everything. Correct? Using that, you can able to draw this all the basic shapes. If you want to draw apple, like the shape is something kind of oval shape, first you draw basic shape, correct? And using this all the lines, ovals, all the things, you can able to draw this and we can shape it. Then we are going to convert this, the apple, the top side and the bottom areas, correct? And we are connecting it, these two particular points, correct? Apple have middle, then we can have the leaf. Okay, now we are thinking in the 3D form, the flat shapes. Then once this is ready, then we will start drawing the outlines later. So this is how you can able to construct your characters. So when you have these ideas of the 3D forms, so basically you can able to apply the colors perfectly and you can able to draw this in the different angles as well. Let's take this into the next section, how to draw these forms from the images. Shape from here into here. Then you can see the light, it's more than 3 times height. Okay, cool. Then I decide that it's there and I'm connecting into kind of long big cylinders from down, one box for one window, this lighthouse, there is one more window and there is a light. I think I need to make a little more bigger. Cool, that's it. We able to make it. When come to these trees, it looks like cone. Then we can able to draw it later. And cloud at all, don't worry, you can put some basic shape. So this is way you can able to capture the very quickly. You need to capture the basic shapes from the reference into your drawing book. Next, how to draw this tree. It's look draw this line to make this box shape. I just make it very roughly quickly, and I'm making this open space. This is nothing but oval arc. Sorry, yes, here the arc, correct. This box, I know this very clear. Top of that, again there is one more small box. There is one more small box. There the ceiling is there, correct. So middle. So here the ceiling is there, connecting and making circle. So here there is the details. We'll draw the details later. Only we are capturing the basic shape. Next we are going to draw this particular stuff. So here it looks like cylinder. The curve, this little curve, and dark, light and dark, correct. This kind of stroke when you play, that 3D effect will you will feel. See here I made dark, here I made very light, and I'm taking it light and dark. See, always the strokes will have light and this goes dark. It's changed place to place to bring the weight. So again I'm saying this, the same things we practiced in the stage 1, light dark, light dark, light dark, correct. Sorry. Yes, so the more and more you practice that, the quality will improve in your sketch. So this is how you need to bring any image into your own illustrations. So when you take these skills into your work, you make really phenomenal outputs. Okay, it's not this art skill is very important if as a designer, if you take into your career. Next section I'll tell you like how this helps more, how you can figure out to find character, something like this, into your concept. Okay, for this cut straight and it for this particular, basically this is the shape I made. So this is for the hip, this particular areas, cut and here. Cool, for this particular. So this is the cost, the jeans, that's okay. Just draw the leg first, straight line, particular areas, here the knee fold, straight. The overall the body weight is, we need to twist more, I think. Yes, overall weight is falling on here. From here just draw like this. So this can be, let just be straight, or that's it, this enough. So this gives the weight balanced. The next leg, enough. You need to maintain this similarly, don't go more out. Check out the length, very, that's it. This much is enough for this particular area. Then go for the hand, it's kind of connected and head is here. Just draw like this first, then line, arc. This arc from here to here, single line. I'm taking the point, then I'm deciding I need to draw from here to here. That's it. From here, taking out. This is the dress, back side, cloth, little bit more bent, little cut. That's it. These all things you can do even the next time, not now. For this hand, first I'll draw this particular areas. Okay, from here to here straight. Here, just I'll make it, my pencil going more darker. Good. Same things I'm following here, this much, and taking notes for here